Hi, welcome back. This is the one I'm just finishing off. The towing truck, Tamiya. I've given everything a coat of German grey, the wheels and the gun. In the last video I did explain this piece here I did actually lose, so that is made of plastic card. I've assembled all the figures now, so they're ready to paint. So on this one I'm going to give it a coat of gloss varnish. So it's not coming out too bad. I've just taken all the wheels off so I can paint them, makes it a bit easier. So I'm just going to paint them now. So I've now painted the wheels, so I shall now give everything a coat of gloss top coat. Now given everything a clear coat and I've put the decals on, there's not that many to go on. And this is what I use for the clear coats, Vallejo gloss and varnish. It's got to be watered down. I do add a few drops of this, you only need a few in the airbrush. When I water my paints down, I actually use distilled water rather than the tap water. I suppose it's where you live whether your tap water's, okay for it. So I'm now going to weather it. I use different weathering powders. Also I use this to give it a wash, and this just to put some panel lines on. After I've weathered it with the different powders, I go over again with this gloss coat, because I found if I go straight to the Tamiya one, which is a flat clear which I use after, I find that it actually makes the weathering powder go white. So it seems to take the colour out of the weathering powder. Whereas the Vallejo gloss varnish is water based, so it's okay. I shall now start the weathering on it. Also I use some oil paint which I will just dab on and then smear down. Just started to put some weathering. I've just started on the tyres. Just got the other side to do. I've been using this on the tyres. All I've been doing is putting some on. And then I just wipe some off so it's just in the threads. So I just go around them all. So I shall just finish the rest off and do some more weathering on it. And it should look not too bad. Well, thank you for watching, and in the next video hopefully I will have it completed. Thank you.